BlueLife water purifiers are known to its state-of-the-art technology. BlueLife uses premium-grade filter media, and the best quality spare parts, ensures trouble-free operations, and considerable savings on its maintenance during its lifetime. BlueLife water purifiers come with detachable stainless steel storage tank and powder-coated aluminium enclosure, unlike other plastic water purifiers, unlike other non-detachable storage tank purifiers. The advantage of the BlueLife water purifiers is its stainless steel detachable storage tank, which allows consumers to remove the tank by themselves, wash it, and refill with purified water. BlueLife manufactures and market its water purifiers across India and the globe. For more details, visit us at www.bluelife.co.in. Call us on toll-free 1-800-599-1234.